So I just got done installing the wigoo center console organizer tray. I also added in the screen protector, as you can see here. Getting the bubbles out wasn't too bad. The installation was a breeze, just like their instructions say. But let's start out with the organizer first. So here's the center one that you put in. You can kind of push it in as well, and it reveals what's down below. And then close that. It also comes with a drink organizer, I guess a drink cover for the bottom. So in case it gets dirty down there, you just pull this right out and then you can clean it. And then finally, it comes with an organizer here in the center. As you can see here, let me center the camera. This has an adhesive backing, and you just take the strips off and you install it, so it's really straightforward. You know, this is kind of nice if you put, like, I don't know, credit cards or keys or something here. You can add it to the back of the center organizer. It's got a nice little look to it as well too, so I like that. You know, fits in good with the decor of the rest of the car. And then there's also this organizer right here. Finally, it's the last piece. This sits on top of this, so you take this right out and you know all that down there. Speaking of which, I need to register my expel, but yeah. So that's pretty much the wigoo stuff that I added today. Screen protector and the organizer stuff. So it's nice to have in the car. I think it's well worth buying. So far, you know, the screen protector looks good. I think I got most of the bubbles out. I don't really see any bubbles right now, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It's also anti-reflective, I noticed. The brightness is a little bit affected with the screen protector. It's slightly less dim than it is without, but it's totally worth having anyway. It gives you that peace of mind that you normally wouldn't have without it. And you know, they do give you like a microfiber cleaning cloth and screen protector and, you know, accessories that they give you, so you can kind of clean it later on if you need to. These are actually for insulation, but I don't really need them. But yeah, I've got the, you know, microfiber cloth and everything in there in case I need to use it. So yeah, well worth it, good priced. You can grab it on my Amazon link in the bottom of the video, in the description, if you guys are interested in buying this. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, before I go, I'm gonna actually review the Expel PPF that I have installed in this. I have the front package installed. I have an appointment to go back on the 23rd. I goes over the PPF with me. Maybe give a shout out to them as well. They did a pretty good job with the PPF. All right, peace.